Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Ahsoka from Star Wars Saga. We split our video into 3 parts: basic sketching, outline and coloring. You can skip to the part which you like to see. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Then draw a line near bottom of the circle. This line marks the lower eye line. Complete the head structure with slightly squished at the bottom. Draw another line to mark the eye size. Draw eyes and highlights with small circles to give cute look to Ahsoka. Let's draw nose and lips. Draw eyebrows. Let's draw headband. Draw the horns. Some facts. Their horns are called montrals. Montrals are hollow inside, and the species uses them to sense the movements around them. Draw a basic body shape. Draw a rectangle of the size same as head, then split it into 2 as upper body and lower body. Draw a basic leg shape. Here I draw like pigeon toed to get cute look. Draw hands. Let's draw hands like it's holding a lightsaber in both hands. Draw lightsaber. Draw lightsaber. Let's draw belt and detail it. Detail Ahsoka's dress. Let's draw shoes and detail it. Draw hand guards and wrap on the hands. Detail the dress. Let's draw facial details. Detail the Ahsoka's mantra. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. I am using Sharpie fine line marker for outline. Let's color. I am using a Hugo markers for coloring. Thanks for watching. Let's keep drawing. We post a video daily. To get updates, subscribe to Kids Art.